So a short sale, the bet. I mean, once they hit short sale status, there's nothing we can do about it. But essentially, that means that they're going to sell the property at a loss, and they're still going to owe money to the bank or to whoever, whatever entity they owe money to, because they weren't able to sell it for what they at least owe on it.
Okay, yeah, because I was talking to this realtor, and then she was saying she just was like, "Oh, they have a mortgage," and because it was listed for like 84, and then I was talking, and then we was getting to like 60, 70ish, and she's like, "Oh, I think they'll do that," but it was just weird because she was how fast she was willing to just like be like, "Oh, they'll probably do that," but then she had to get off the phone. She got another call, and then I put it in the prop stream, but I see that it says they have a balance of like 116, and I'm like,
okay, wait, hold on. Are you offering that? Is this a cash offer? Because it shouldn't be if it is.
Yeah, I don't know. I was just trying to gauge the conversation, but
that's what I'm saying. Does she think that you're offering 60, 70 cash? Because she needs to understand that this is not a cash offer.
Right. Like I didn't even get to the point where I could like see, like I just called her. I was just trying to get information on like the property. And then I was like, when I seen that, I was like, I don't even know what I'm supposed to, like what I'm supposed to do. But you said we can't do anything, right?
Not with a short sale, no.
And how and why is that? Because basically all the creative terms, they won't be able to pay
the mortgage off, right? The property will still have a lien on it, and you can't do a creative deal on a short sale.
Oh, okay.
And you can't do it. I mean, you can, but you can't really you shouldn't do a cash deal for a property that's on market. What's it listed for?
84.
And how much work does it need?
Probably like 50.
It needs $50,000 worth of work?
Probably 50 to 60. From what she was telling me, and then because they don't have that degrade of pictures, but we was talking for like probably like 15, 20 minutes, and she was saying there's like a bursted pipe downstairs. They have like they have 3 floors, but the last tenants, they were like kind of acting nuts. So they haven't even been able to get in there for a while, so they don't even know how much damage is really assessed within that particular one. So I'm like, it's just screaming like flags. Like this is not.
Yeah, this isn't a deal, dude.
Yeah, like, I figured as much. I wanted to double check, just not even just for the deal, just to go moving forward. Like if the things happen again, I already know. Like, all right, I just gotta go.
Yeah, that one's just not going to work. You would have to offer negative $10,000.
That's wild.
Because think about it, it's only worth 84, and it needs $50,000 worth of work. Mm-hmm. And then whatever investor buys it, if it is a cash deal, needs to list it on market, pay a real estate agent for the listing fee, and then turn a profit when there's only $30,000 in left. There's just not enough room in the deal.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. All right, that was just my question. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to making these calls. Thanks.
Hell yeah, bro. All right, I'll talk to you later.
All right.
See ya.